It's easy to forget how delicate our skin can be, especially after a procedure or even a tattoo. We all know the discomfort of sensitive, irritated skin that needs some TLC. But what if there was a product designed specifically to aid in that recovery while keeping your skin hydrated? That's where Avène Cicalfate Plus Hydrating Skin Recovery Emulsion steps in. If you're looking for a soothing post-procedure solution that also helps restore your skin barrier, stick around because I've got all the details you need. And before we jump into it, if you find this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on my honest reviews. Now, let's take a closer look at Avène's Cicalfate Plus Emulsion. This 40 milliliter tube is designed for adults, offering a lightweight, non-comedogenic formula that promises to restore and protect your skin's barrier after it's been stressed by tattoos, cosmetic procedures, or even environmental factors. Its special blend includes Avène's signature thermal spring water, which is known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, perfect for calming irritated skin. In terms of usage, this product is a dream to incorporate into your routine. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, which is a big plus for those of us who don't want to feel weighed down by our skincare. I found it easy to apply, and it immediately felt refreshing on the skin, providing a soft, non-sticky finish. It's particularly effective after those more intense skincare treatments like chemical peels or laser treatments. But I also used it after a new tattoo and noticed a visible difference in hydration and soothing relief. One of the key points I noticed during my testing is how effective it is at maintaining hydration. The 24-hour hydration claim is no joke. After applying it at night, my skin stayed comfortably hydrated until the morning, which is a testament to how well it locks in moisture. Additionally, the formula is designed to be non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores, which is essential when you're dealing with sensitive, healing skin. However, it's important to note that while this emulsion is great for sensitive and healing skin, it may not be suitable for those looking for a product that can address more complex concerns like fine lines or hyperpigmentation. The Cicalfate Plus Emulsion is more focused on healing and protecting the skin barrier rather than providing anti-aging or brightening benefits. So, if you're looking for something that does it all, you might need to layer this with other treatments, depending on your skincare needs. When it comes to value for money, I'd say that it offers a fair amount of benefit for its price. While it's not the most affordable option on the market, considering the quality ingredients, especially the soothing thermal spring water, it's definitely worth it if you're dealing with irritated or post-procedure skin. A small amount goes a long way, and its ability to restore and hydrate makes it a worthwhile investment for your post-procedure skincare routine. In comparison to other recovery balms or emollients, the Avène Cicalfate Plus Emulsion holds its ground, offering gentle yet effective hydration without clogging pores or causing additional irritation. Some of its competitors may be a bit thicker or greasier, which can be uncomfortable for some users, but this emulsion strikes the perfect balance of lightweight and hydrating. Now let's talk about build quality. The packaging is simple yet functional. The tube is compact, making it easy to squeeze out just the right amount of product without any mess. The slim design also makes it travel-friendly, so you can take it with you if you need to apply it after a procedure on the go. As for longevity, this product has a decent shelf life, and since you only need a small amount, it lasts quite a while, making it a good investment for long-term care. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, I've heard positive things about Avène's responsiveness to customer inquiries. While I didn't personally need to reach out for this product, their reputation for customer care is a big plus when considering their brand. Knowing that they stand by their products gives extra peace of mind, especially when you're investing in your skin's health. If you're looking for more affordable alternatives, there are plenty of recovery creams and emulsions out there, but not many with the same focus on soothing and barrier repair as this one. A solid budget-friendly alternative could be products from brands like CeraVe or Eucerin, which also offer non-comedogenic, barrier-repairing formulas at a lower price point. However, if your skin is especially sensitive or recovering from a procedure, Avène's formulation could offer an edge with its targeted ingredients. So, would I recommend the Avène Cicalfate Plus Hydrating Skin Recovery Emulsion? Absolutely. If you're looking for a lightweight, soothing emulsion that restores and hydrates the skin after a procedure or tattoo, this product is a solid choice. It's particularly well-suited to those with sensitive skin or anyone looking for a post-procedure solution that doesn't clog pores or leave a greasy residue. While it may not tackle other skincare concerns, its effectiveness at restoring the skin barrier makes it a must-have in your recovery routine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.